Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for part 2 of my Block Zone Tiger tank build. Let's get it started. Alright, so we're back. Part 2. The fingers feel good, but here's where we left off on part 1. We actually have the drivetrain and everything done, the treads. I've still not checked to see if I can loosen up one of these treads here and tighten that up, which I'm definitely going to look into that. But yeah, we're going to get this thing done today because I want to see the turret. I want to see everything going. I still have another motor to put in place, which if I had to guess, this will be with the turret. Yeah, we got probably 5 bags to go through, so we're going to be doing some time lapse. I can't think of a better thing to do than to get it started, so yeah, time lapse. everybody. We're done. Tiger tank from the Block Zone model build. This was a, I'm going to say a fun build, but it's definitely a build of small pieces. Lots of small pieces that make the whole, and I'm super stoked. This thing looks really, really cool. We got the decals on it. I didn't do a lot of like in-betweens because honestly, this one actually took a lot of time to actually build. You're not going to be able to tell it with the time lapse, but there's a few hours in this, like several hours. I will say I think this one actually took longer to build than the Ace Scale camper van that I did. But this is so cool because it moves. I showed you this, guys, at the end of part 1, but part 2, we've got actually turret movement. I mean, this is really, really neat. I'm really excited for this to get this build. I still need to adjust the tracks. I haven't done that yet because, to be honest with you, I'm happy this thing is done. This is such a fun build. We actually have the lid lifts up right here to expose the gun and everything. I'm still got some tweaking to do, but it's just really, really cool. I love the fact that the turret moves. That's just awesome. The power module, control module, right back here in the back, the engine deck comes off, or actually just lifts out, and that gives you access to the power button and to the on and off switch. Then it just slides right back in, and we just snap it back down in place like so, and voila, we are back rocking and rolling. I mean, come on. You got to appreciate this. Got to appreciate not only just the look of it. It's great. So, but yeah, we got a tank. We got a Tiger tank. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the video. Let me know in the comments. Sorry. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this build. Big shout out to the Block Zone. Again, I love their products. I love their models. They're functional. They look great. Lots of detail to them. And they're just cool. So, like I said, I'll put links in this video as well, not only to this model, but to the actual Block Zone itself. If you've never visited them, give them a shot, check them out, see what they got, because I guarantee you there's something there you will like. If you like block building, I highly recommend it. So, yeah, we're done. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is your first time to my channel, if you enjoy these types of videos where I put these models together, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, make sure and turn notifications on. That way you'll know when I drop videos. Also, click more in the description and you will see all the links to my social media. I do a lot of stuff there, so check that out. You can send me a direct message or just check out what's going on. Give me a follow if you like what I'm doing there as well. And finally, please always remember, model building refreshes your soul, and I'll see you next time. So cool.